One day we were doing an activity in CMCA clubs with advertisements that we see, and it was fun until we realized how society sees men and women so differently. These ads were telling us how men and women should be and what they should be interested in. I felt angry at first, but then I noticed even I had some of these views in me. I know my friends did too, but we realized that if we want change, then first we have to change our own thinking. CMCA Clubs conducts 22 sessions across the academic year. I always get excited for CMCA clubs. You never know if we are going to do a role play, a game, or a skit that day, but it always makes me think. I'm really glad it helped me a lot to have a more open mind to understand new things now.
मुझे CMCA के वजह से काफ़ी जानकारी हासिल हुई है, जैसे कि इक्वालिटी, जेंडर इक्वालिटी, हमारी राइट्स, फ्रीडम ऑफ टॉकिंग.
Since I have joined CMCA clubs, I have become more open to learning new things, especially how to live in harmony with nature, being a responsible citizen, and having empathy for all.
हमें जो CMCA के टीचर्स हैं हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं, हमें बहुत कुछ मोटिवेशन देते हैं, हमें फ्रीडम्स के बारे में, लॉज के बारे में सिखाते हैं.
Also, being part of the activities, presentations and projects, I myself have grown to be a confident person. I can face a crowd without fear. Joining the CMCA clubs has made me an active citizen. There was a garbage pile up near my school and it was really bothering the people. So, thanks to what I learned in CMCA clubs, I called the BMC and they came and fixed it in just a week.
CMCA हमें एक जागरूक नागरिक बनना सिखाता है.
CMCAमुळे राईट्सबद्दल माहिती मिळतात, स्त्रिया पुरुष समानतेबद्दल त्यांना माहिती मिळते, स्त्रियांनी कसं वागलं पाहिजे, स्त्रियांच्या पुरुषांच्या बरोबरीने वागले पाहिजे. CMCच्या क्लासमुळे मुलं चांगले नागरिक बनू शकतील.
Our planet is a gift, but its beauty is under threat. Every small effort to protect it counts. Keeping our beaches clean is more than an act of responsibility. Every effort, no matter how small, makes a difference. Through the CMCA's initiative, the beach cleanup became more than just an activity for these young minds. It was an opportunity to witness their impact firsthand and realize how small actions can lead to a cleaner, greener world. Together, they embraced their responsibility and made a difference.
In CMCA, we have also learned about ripple. It means when I pick a piece of a garbage, everyone will look at me, see me, and they will also learn and get inspired by me.
Through the CMCA classes, we learn more about our environment and how can each of our action bring a larger impact on our surroundings.
हा बीच फक्त समुद्र नाही, विशेष प्राण्यांसाठी घर आहे आणि पोरांसाठी खेळण्यासाठी जागा आहे.
Let's celebrate this spirit and come together. There is nothing we can't achieve. We have to be an active citizen of our country.
CMCA believes in change, and that is what we work for, a change in our students' attitude, a change in what they believe is important.
We are a 24-year-old organization working towards making children socially responsible citizens and catch them early so that they imbibe these values of being a responsible citizen.
Empowering young change makers. CMCA sparks change.